The ZUYIYI 110V Handheld Welder Kit is equipped with advanced IGBT inverter technology, providing a wide current range of 20 to 250 amperes for precise welding tasks. Its compact and portable design, complete with an exquisite carrying case, allows for easy transportation and storage, making it ideal for both on-site and home projects. Featuring hot start and anti-stick technology, this welder ensures quick arc ignition and prevents electrode sticking, which is essential for efficient and clean welding. Safety is prioritized with multiple protection features, such as overheat and overload protection, alongside an intelligent 360-degree air cooling system to prevent overheating. The easy operation of this welder makes it suitable for both beginners and professionals, with wide applications across automotive maintenance and DIY projects. High-quality accessories included with the ZUYIYI welder enhance its utility, making it a valuable addition to any repair toolkit.